Monday afternoon. What minor flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast? Where? Yadkin River at Yadkin College. When? Until Monday afternoon. Impacts at 15.0 feet. The river is at bankful. At 18.0 feet, minor flooding begins. There is flooding of mainly farmlands on both banks. At 21.0 feet, lower level campsites at the 1000 Trail Preserve off a 64 begin to flood. At 23.0 feet, the upper campsites at the 1000 Trail Preserve off a 64 begin to flood. At 25.0 feet, moderate flooding begins. Flooding may close Soares Road near Linwood and Hollywood Drive at Grub Ferry Road. A campground on Hannah Ferry Road is flooding. Flooding threatens the pumping station at Davidson, Incorporated. At 26.0 feet, several homes along the river begin to flood. Additional details, at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 19.8 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest at 25.0 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood and FLD observed forecast 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time location St. Daytime sun Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday Yadkin River Yadkin College 18.0 19.8 Saturday 10 a.m. at 24.2 12.4 3.4 2.8 and end. Flood warning in effect.
Yep. An extension to a river flood warning for the Yadkin River at Yadkin College. Toned as a flood statement through WNG588, an RNK transmitter, RNK as in Blacksburg, Virginia. And they had toned this for Davie County, North Carolina, as WNG588 has that. And for a little while, I've been knowing that WNG588 actually does tone extensions for this river, and specifically this river, at least for what I know of, based from what Water Radio Guru had uploaded on his video of WNG588 doing like what has been done here. Toning a river flood warning extension for the Yadkin River at Yadkin College as a flood statement. And again, for what I know of, it's specifically the Yadkin River at Yadkin College that WNG588 tones extensions for. But yeah, to have this and to have it be toned as a flood statement, definitely not the kind of thing that you'd think would happen. Not even the kind of thing that I think would happen. I'm just recently knowing about this. But yeah, WNG588 does that. And since I get WNG588 good where I am now, this is my first received flood statement code. Or for what this radio just says is flood. And that's it.